Today we will see what is choose formula. It's a very useful formula in the Excel for the lookup and reference purposes. You can use choose. There should be one number. Suppose we can choose that one number there in this column, and if you are giving some values, suppose we are taking yes or no. So here we applied choose, and there is an index number. That number we can choose from this cell, and yes or no, enter. So if you choose that first one, you will get a yes. If you choose second here, you will get no. So, see the one. Choose index number, you can select from a cell, or otherwise you can directly apply 1 or 2 there, and the values are given. Suppose we are giving that Sunday, not writing completely, comma, then Monday, comma, then Tuesday. So if you select this one, you will get a Sunday, and if you select a 2 here, you will get a Monday there. If you select a 3, you will get a Tuesday there. This is the choose function. You can put that as cell reference also. Here you can see choose, and index function is taken as the 1, and next one we are going to take that values from this one, this cell, comma, then next cell, comma, next one, then next cell, then next. So instead of giving that Sunday, Monday as a text, you can choose this F2, F3 like that. F2, F3, F4, F6, F7, F8 like that values we can give as the cell references. Then you will get the, if you choose 2, you will get a Monday. If you choose 5, you will get a Friday. Sorry, Thursday. And 6 is Friday. And 7 is Saturday. Like that. Okay, and you, instead of typing this F2, F3, F4 in the formula that we typed here, instead of typing that one, you can use another method. This Sunday is the F2 cell. So you just put F2 here, F2, then just drag down till automatically F2, F3, F4, F5, F7 up to F8. So these values we can put there with the commas there. So to get the commas, you can see use this method. Take the first one, and you can use that concatenate method. First one, and we want to put a comma there. So take inverted commas, comma, again inverted commas, then and then this one. So you will get F2 and F3. Then drag the formula down. We will do all these ones. Then F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8. This isn't a formula actually. So you can copy that one and paste here as values. So there is no formula now. So you can use this method also. See here what we write, choose, start the bracket, put the index number, then if you just select this one now and close the bracket. Here what happened, it will not give because we give only H10, that's the last cell. So if you select again the H10 and select the formula bar and come here, and instead of H10 you can paste that one. Okay, to take the sums, so you can use that one. You just start with the sum. Okay, this is the first set if you are taking, so you have to choose. Okay, the index number we can say that is this is the first one, this is the second set, and this is the third one. So you can use that one here, index number. Okay, and the first set is sum of this, comma, second set sum of this, and third set is this one. So here you can see that if you take that, the formula is simple, very simple. If you put a sum in front of choose and you take this is the index number and choose the set of values, first set, comma, second set, comma, third set, and this, if you choose here 1, that means the sum of this first set. If you choose 2 here, you will get a sum of the second set. If you choose 3 here, you will get the sum of the third set, 175. So this is also possible by using sum and choose combination. You can say sum and choose, then index number, comma, then here choose what we choose, J2 to J8, J2 to J8 first set, then comma, then K2 to K8, then comma, there is a second set, then L2 to L8, right? This is the formula. And here, suppose this is January to December and there are some uh, values. Suppose it is a collection of money or something, or quantity or whatever it may be. January it is 500, February it is 600, March is 800, like that up to December. The total is 7360. Now, if you want to find out that sum of January to March only, and you may think that it is you want to take the sum January to June. So if you fix in this first month, and you can calculate at any month from January the sum of that quantities here. So that's why we are using that. Suppose this is a formula, we are using that sum. So we are fixing this January as the first, right? So we are fixing that one, F28, starting from next number is, maybe you can choose that, maybe May, February or May or July or August, whatever it may be. This is a variable, so you have to choose that one. An index number, you can take it as this number, and now you have to give that values, F28, F29, F30, like that you have to give there. So F28, then F29, like that we have to give continuously up to the end. Okay, so if you take F28 and just you know that it is starting from F28 and ends on F39, so just put F28 there and drag it up to F39, right? F39, 12 numbers. So this one is equal to the first one, then second one is equal to, so, and we need one comma there, so put it in inverted commas, then and so concatenate node, and this one, find one and drag it down. Okay, so now you got this one. So you can choose that this selecting, because there is a formula, that's why we cannot put it there. So you can copy and paste value only. Now you can copy, that is from the formula bar, and go here in the form, in our formula we put only two values, and you can remove that because it is, we need F28 to F39, but we don't want to put that one by one. Just enter that one and enter. Now you can see that one. If you choose 2 there here, then it is, suppose this 1, so value will be 500 because this sum is taken from January to January itself, that is the 500 only. And if you change this number to 2, so it will take January to February, so sum of this one, right? If you take a 3 there, it will be January to March, sum of these 3, 1900. So if you take a 12 here, it will take a January to December, 7360, 7360. So whenever we are changing this value, you can see that the calculation is taken from January to that month. Here also, if you choose a 9 here, it automatically comes September here. If you take a 8 here, it will come to August here. That is also a choose function. You can simply choose that one equal to choose only. Choose index number is taken as this one, comma, and put all the this month we need is E20, starting from E28, and close that one, right? So E28, so you can change this one to E28. E28 E13 E39. Now you can copy and paste the value and copy it from the formula bar and go the equation, formula, and instead of E28 put that value. So now it is August. If you take 3 there, March will come there, and automatically here the sum will be taken from January to March. So January is a fixed value. Whenever you are taking the value from here, if you choose here 5, it will take up to May. So sum will be from here to May only. So very useful for making the reports and everything. And another thing is that we can here that a constant value is January and May was the variable. You can choose from it. Similarly, we can make both of them are the variables. Here we can see that February, we can choose it from February instead of January. So I used it here also, but only the issue, some formula is the same one, but only the issue is that we want to take that what is the starting month and what is the end month. So here what we have to do that, I'm deleting this formula here. You can see what we used here. Just to copy paste that one and paste here, and you can see the formula. If you remove equal sign, here you can see the formula. Here what we use a sum F28. F28 means this value 500, so it's a fixed value, so we keep F28 as it is. And in this formula, we are telling about this formula, this one, and the first month is fixed one, and the second one is the May, it is the variable one. That's why we use the choose formula there, and whatever it is the index number in this cell C41, and we will take that value from that one, 1 2 3 4 5, fifth one. So up to fifth it will give the sum to you. If you want to choose the start month also as variable, you can do one thing, simply copy this one again. If instead of this F28, this was the fixer one, so what I am going to do, just to choose this one, choose formula is taken as a whole, and instead of this F28 I am putting the choose formula, right? Here we can see that one, the start sum is there, and the first quantity is the another choose, but here the reference is C41. This is for the second month, the end month. The first month is B46, so we have to change this one, B46, and the end month is C46. All of these are same. Look, it is January to May, it is 2800. If you change this one to 6, it will add that up to June. I mean 3350. And if you choose this instead of January, if you choose it is February 2, then February to June only. It will add from February to June only, 2850. So in this way, both sides, start month and end month, we can make it as a variable. So you can choose anything, that is from if you choose here 3, the month will come start from March, and if you choose here 8, month will up to August. So March to August, you can find out what is the sum of these ones. It is 3500, right? And there is another easy method to opt these months. So usually you are giving this 3 here, 8 here. You have to type that numbers for the to get the months. Instead, you can simply insert, go to insert, sorry, to developer, and there is a developer option, and in the tabs, and take the insert button and select the combo box. So from that one, if you select that one, you will get this combo box like that, similarly like this. And if you right button on that one, there is an option format control. Go to the format control and you put that input range. What you want to take that input here, you need to input as a, and you have to link that input into a cell. That cell we have to take, that cell is this one. Okay, so if you use like that one, and if you click, earlier it was used like that, if you choose here January there, you will get the value there. Alright, so this is easy method to get this combo box. You will use that developer. If it is not available in the tab, you just go to the file, and in the file you can get that options, and you can get that customize ribbon, and from there you can choose that developer. Here developer folder is, you can get it from there. And if it is not available, you can choose from this one, popular. Instead of popular comments, you can take all comments, and you can find out that combo box and all these applications here. You can click and add that one. Okay, so here only the easy method is that if you use this method, in the dashboards and reports, you can hide that one in the cell itself, right, like this. Okay, and if you want to choose that month, you can directly choose from here to May to September. It will calculate up to May to September only, 3250. And it May to December, you can just go to December. It will be May to December. You will get it at 5310. So it's a very fun, wonderful formula, wonderful combination of sum and choose. Okay, right, guys. Thank you.